Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. LUNC Terra Classic is now losing about 70.26% in the past 7 days. Now, it simply means Terra Classic have actually gained about 5% in the past 3 days, because as of last 4 days, Terra Classic was losing about 21%, which really affected Terra Classic. In fact, we are scared that Terra Classic market cap will be dropping below $500 million. Remember, I said that in one of my videos about 3 days ago, that if this continues, Terra Classic will be losing a lot of money. In fact, the market cap will be going below $500 million, which is not good for Terra Classic. But Terra Classic was able to recover. Now the market cap is shooting towards $725 million market cap, and I hope for this to end today or this weekend, trading at over $800 or $900 million. But Terra Classic have actually recovered about 5% within the past 3 days, which is still good for Terra Classic. So let's hope to see what this month, before the end of this coming weekend, and for the end of this month, March, let's see what and where Terra Classic will be ending the month with. And I believe Terra Classic will still end this month with a market cap of over $1 billion, and I also believe the price will also increase. So it's, although it depends on the BTC, but I still believe Bitcoin is going to recover. Already, Bitcoin have shown a gradual recovery from this crash, just the recent crash, all the way from $19 million. BTC is now shooting towards all the way from $19,000. BTC is now shooting towards $21,000, which is good. Bitcoin have actually gained about $2,000 since BTC hit about $19,000 just recently. So you see, BTC is really recovering faster, and I believe Terra Classic will also recover. Terra Classic have been able to recover about 5% increase in the past 5 days, which is amazing. So let's hope that the crypto industry in general will recover quickly, and I hope this year is going to be a bullish year. What we experienced last year, I hope we are not going to experience it this year. That's our prayer. We want to see crypto industry being accepted globally by so many crypto based payments, people using crypto based payment as means of payments for goods and services, especially from our e-commerce and big industries. That is what we are hoping, because it will help to cryptocurrency and Terra Classic to also hit a massive increase in price. And once it's globally accepted, BTC, we expect is going to hit over $100,000 before the end of this year 2023, which also push other crypto coins to massively increase in price. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.